Hey guys, I just want to give iMuto a big shout out for sending me this 10-in-1 USB-C hub. It's super convenient, especially as I own the 2016 MacBook Pro, which has basically no ports other than USB-C. It comes in really sophisticated packaging and I just love how small and compact it is. It can fit in your bag or even your laptop sleeve, no problem. Despite its small form, it packs a lot. You get 7 USB 3 ports, 4 on one side and 3 on the other. There's also one USB-C port and a HDMI video output so you can share content on your laptop on a HDMI enabled display. It supports 4K resolutions too, so that's a bonus. And the 10th feature? This is where it gets really incredible. So as well as serving as a hub so that you can connect multiple devices to your laptop, this 10-in-1 also boasts QI wireless charging technology, and it works with the latest iPhone X and the Galaxy Note 8 just perfect. Isn't that just super cool? I mean, it's not as fast as charging via a power outlet, but when you're not in a rush and busy working away, it's super handy. Talk about an all-in-one gadget. It's more convenient today as more and more devices are adapting USB-C, which is the future really, but we still need to be able to use our USB and HDMI devices, so this is where the iMuto 10-in-1 comes in. Convenient and cool. I for one am certainly happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for nothing but tech from a woman in tech, and thanks for watching.